Benefits of implementing PDCA. Some key benefits make PDCA a valuable approach for driving ongoing success. 1. Promotes continuous improvement. PDCA encourages a culture of ongoing evaluation and refinement, so processes are always getting better. Continuous improvement leads to higher efficiency, reduced waste, and better performance, keeping organizations competitive in a changing market. 2. It simplifies problem solving. PDCA breaks down problems into smaller, manageable steps, making identifying the root cause and developing solutions easier. This structured approach leads to quicker resolutions and minimizes disruptions in business operations. 3. Enhances decision-making. PDCA helps teams make more informed and strategic decisions using data and analysis at every stage. Better decision-making reduces risks, improves accuracy, and leads to more effective actions that positively impact business outcomes. 4. Encourages employee engagement. The cycle involves team members in each phase, empowering them to contribute ideas and take ownership of the process. Engaged employees are more motivated, productive, and innovative, strengthening the organization's success. 5. Applicable to all industries. PDCA proves its adaptability by seamlessly fitting into different sectors, such as manufacturing, healthcare, IT, and service industries. Its application ensures that organizations of any size and type can benefit from its principles to achieve their specific goals. 6. Reduces costs and wastage. The iterative process of PDCA identifies inefficiencies and areas of waste in operations. Reducing waste and optimizing processes lower operational costs, leading to better resource management and increased profits. 7. Build a culture of accountability. PDCA holds individuals and teams accountable for the outcomes of their actions, promoting a sense of responsibility. Accountability fosters a results-driven culture where everyone strives to achieve the best possible outcomes. 8. Drives innovation and adaptability. The ACT phase of PDCA encourages reflection and learning, leading to innovative ideas and creative solutions. In today's challenging environment, quickly adapting and innovating is crucial for staying ahead of competitors. 9. Supports long-term success. PDCA focuses on sustainable growth and improvement by continuously refining strategies and processes. Organizations that use PDCA are more likely to experience consistent progress and long-term success rather than temporary gains. 10. Facilitates better communication. PDCA promotes clear communication and collaboration among team members, ensuring everyone is aligned with objectives and progress. Better communication leads to more efficient teamwork and helps avoid misunderstandings that can derail projects. Implementing the PDCA cycle in organizations brings many benefits beyond solving problems. It fosters a culture of continuous improvement, empowers employees, and drives innovation while promoting sustainable growth. By adopting PDCA, businesses can streamline operations, make data-driven decisions, and stay competitive in an ever-strengthened landscape. PDCA in action, real-world applications. The PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act, cycle is a versatile tool that can be applied to various industries and scenarios. Its structured approach to problem-solving and continuous improvement makes it a popular choice for businesses aiming to enhance their processes, reduce waste, and boost efficiency. Here are a few real-world examples of how organizations successfully implement PDCA. 1. Manufacturing quality control. Plan. A manufacturing company identifies a recurring issue with defective products on their assembly line. 2. They introduce a new quality control process at specific checkpoints. Check. The team monitors the defect rate and finds a 30% reduction in faulty products. Act. The new quality control process is adopted across all production lines based on the positive results. Outcome: improved product quality and a significant decrease in production waste. 2. Customer service improvement. Plan. A retail company receives customer feedback about long wait times in their service centers. 2. They train staff on faster customer interaction techniques. Check. The average customer service time is reviewed and shows a 40% improvement. Act. The training program is rolled out company-wide to standardize quick and efficient service. Outcome: enhanced customer satisfaction and reduced wait times. 3. Software development process. Plan: a software team identifies delays in their release schedule because of inefficient bug tracking. Do: they implement a new bug tracking tool to streamline the reporting process. Check: the tool's effectiveness is reviewed, showing a faster resolution of software issues. Act: the tool becomes a standard part of the team's development workflow. Outcome: increased efficiency in handling bugs and faster software releases. 4. Healthcare patient care improvement. Plan: the hospital notices increased patient wait times in the emergency department. Do: they pilot a triage system to prioritize patients based on severity. Check: data from the pilot shows reduced wait times for critical cases by 50%. Act: the triage system is implemented across all emergency departments. Outcome: improved patient care and faster response times in emergencies. 5. Supply chain optimization. Plan: a logistics company identifies inefficiencies in its supply chain management. Do: they introduce a real-time tracking system for shipments. Check: analysis reveals a 25% improvement in delivery times. Act: the tracking system is adopted for all operations to enhance supply chain visibility. Outcome: more reliable deliveries and higher customer satisfaction. 6. Energy conservation in facilities management. Plan: a facility manager aims to reduce the energy consumption of a commercial building. Do: they test energy-efficient lighting systems in one building section. Check: energy usage data is reviewed, showing a 20% reduction. Act: energy-efficient lighting is installed throughout the facility. Outcome: lower energy bills and a smaller environmental footprint. 7. Marketing campaign optimization. Plan: a company's recent marketing campaign did not generate the expected engagement. Do: they redesign the campaign content based on audience feedback. Check: the engagement metrics are analyzed, revealing a 35% response increase. Act: the improved strategy applies to future marketing efforts. Outcome: higher engagement and better targeted marketing campaigns. 8. Inventory management in retail. Plan: a retail store faces frequent stockouts and overstock issues. Do: they implement a new inventory tracking software for better demand forecasting. Check: the store's stock levels are reviewed, showing reduced stockouts and excess inventory. Act: the software is integrated into all store locations. Outcome: optimized inventory levels and increased sales because of better product availability. 9. Project management in construction. Plan: a construction company experiences project delays because of poor time management. Do: they introduce a project management tool to track timelines and deadlines. Check: the tool's impact is measured, showing a 15% increase in on-time project completions. Act: the project management tool becomes standard across all construction projects. Outcome: improved project timelines and enhanced team coordination. 10. Reducing food waste in restaurants. Plan: the restaurant chain identifies significant food waste during peak hours. Do: they introduce portion control techniques and a new ordering system. Check: waste levels are analyzed and show a 30% reduction in food waste. Act: the changes are adopted across all branches of the restaurant chain. Outcome: lower food waste and increased profitability through cost savings. Several Indian companies have successfully implemented the PDCA, Plan Do Check Act, cycle to improve processes, enhance productivity, and ensure continuous improvement. Here are a few examples. 1. Tata Steel. Tata Steel, one of India's largest steel manufacturers, has long advocated quality management systems. It adopted the PDCA cycle to improve its manufacturing processes and customer satisfaction. Plan: the company analyzed the root cause to identify inefficiencies in its manufacturing process and product quality issues. Do: Tata Steel implemented new quality control mechanisms on the shop floor, ensuring workers followed standard operating procedures. Check: they monitored performance metrics, including defect rates and operational efficiency, and compared them against predetermined targets. Act: based on the results, Tata Steel made further improvements, training employees in problem-solving techniques and refining processes that needed more attention. This application of PDCA helped Tata Steel reduce wastage, improve product quality, and enhance customer satisfaction. It also contributed to the company receiving the prestigious Deming Prize for Quality in 2008. 2. Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki, India's leading automobile manufacturer, implemented the PDCA cycle to streamline production processes, reduce defects, and improve vehicle quality. Plan: Maruti Suzuki identified inefficiencies in its assembly line that led to defects in the final products. Do: the company introduced specific measures, such as improving the supply chain and re-engineering production processes. Check: Maruti regularly tracked vehicle quality through inline checks and quality inspections. Act: using the feedback from the check phase, Maruti implemented continuous training for its workers and enhanced its equipment to prevent future defects. Implementing PDCA enabled Maruti Suzuki to improve product quality, reduce lead times, and improve customer satisfaction. 3. Mahindra & Mahindra. Mahindra & Mahindra, a prominent Indian automotive and tractor manufacturer, integrated PDCA into its production and supply chain management processes. Plan: the company analyzed delays in its supply chain that were affecting production timelines. Do: they restructured their procurement process, implemented vendor performance metrics, and introduced new logistics solutions. Check: they measured the impact of these changes by tracking key performance indicators, such as procurement time, inventory levels, and production output. Act: based on the findings, Mahindra took corrective actions, such as renegotiating vendor contracts and implementing lean inventory practices. This PDCA implementation helped Mahindra streamline its supply chain, reduce costs, and maintain timely delivery schedules, contributing to its robust business growth. 4. Wipro. Wipro, one of India's largest IT and consulting firms, adopted PDCA in its quality management and software development processes. Plan: the company identified gaps in the quality of deliverables and service timelines. Do: Wipro introduced standard operating procedures, SOPs, for coding practices, project management, and client communications. Check: they performed regular audits and reviews of project deliverables, measuring them against established quality standards and timelines. Act: based on the audits, they took corrective actions such as revising the SOPs, providing training to teams, and realigning resources. By using PDCA, Wipro achieved higher customer satisfaction, reduced project delays, and improved the overall quality of its services. 5. Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries, a significant oil, petrochemical, and retail player, implemented the PDCA cycle to optimize operational efficiency in its refineries and retail chains. Plan: Reliance focused on reducing operational costs and improving the efficiency of its refining processes. Do: they made operational changes, such as introducing modern technologies and improving energy management systems. Check: the company closely monitored key performance indicators, such as energy consumption, production output, and operational downtime. Act: based on the findings, Reliance fine-tuned its processes, introduced new maintenance schedules, and trained employees on energy conservation techniques. The PDCA approach helped Reliance Industries significantly improve energy efficiency and operational performance, reducing costs while enhancing productivity. 6. Godrej Consumer Products. Godrej Consumer Products applied the PDCA method in its supply chain and production planning to ensure high-quality consumer goods. Plan: Godrej identified inefficiencies in its production line that were causing delays and affecting product quality. Do: the company implemented new inventory management and quality control processes, ensuring a smoother workflow. Check: regular audits and quality checks were conducted to ensure the changes had the desired effect. Act: based on the findings, Godrej made further adjustments, improving supplier management and introducing worker training programs. The result was improved product consistency, reduced lead times, and better overall performance. These examples illustrate how the PDCA cycle can be applied to various industries to address specific challenges. From improving product quality in manufacturing to optimizing customer service and PDCA implementation across Indian companies, they highlight the method's versatility across industries. Whether in manufacturing, IT services, or consumer goods, PDCA has proven to be a practical framework for driving continuous improvement, reducing waste, and enhancing product and service quality. Structure of this book. In Chapter 2, we can learn effective ways to identify and prioritize issues. 1. How do we uncover the root cause of issues and define the problem clearly? 2. Creating specific, achievable targets that guide the problem-solving process. 3. Breaking down solutions into straightforward, manageable tasks for effective implementation. 4. Ensuring teams, tools, and timelines are aligned for smooth execution. 5. Identifying potential obstacles and preparing backup plans for successful outcomes. In Chapter 3, we can learn about ensuring the successful implementation of plans. 1. Step-by-step guidance on putting the plan into action effectively. 2. How do you track tasks and performance throughout the execution phase? 3. Keeping everyone focused and accountable to ensure smooth execution. 4. Strategies for identifying and handling challenges that arise in real time. 5. Staying committed to the primary goals and avoiding distractions. In Chapter 4, we can learn how to check and analyze outcomes. 1. How do you choose the right metrics to track progress and success? 2. Techniques for collecting reliable data to measure outcomes. 3. Comparing actual performance with planned objectives to assess effectiveness. 4. Recognizing areas for improvement and refining future actions. 5. Leveraging performance data to inform the next PDCA cycle and drive ongoing growth. In Chapter 5, we can learn about closing the feedback loop for continuous improvement. 1. Reviewing successes and failures to extract valuable lessons. 2. How to adjust plans based on insights from the current PDCA cycle. 3. Using feedback to refine processes and enhance future performance. 4. Encouraging teams to embrace learning and adapt to change. 5. Applying learned insights across teams and departments for broader impact. In Chapter 6, we can learn how to create a collaborative environment for process refinement. 1. Ensuring everyone understands and supports the PDCA approach. 2. Clarifying team roles to ensure smooth execution of the PDCA cycle. 3. Encouraging open communication and teamwork to solve issues effectively. 4. How do we monitor team activities and ensure accountability during PDCA cycles? 5. Recognizing achievements and sharing lessons to improve future team efforts. In Chapter 7, we can learn some real-world examples of businesses thriving with PDCA for ongoing success. 1. How does Toyota use this PDCA for ongoing success to improve production efficiency and reduce waste, becoming a leader in lean manufacturing? 2. How Amazon applied this PDCA for ongoing success to improve delivery speed, optimize inventory management, and enhance customer experience. 3. How Starbucks implemented a PDCA for ongoing success to refine employee training programs, resulting in higher engagement, improved service quality, and increased customer satisfaction. 4. How Intel applied this PDCA for ongoing success to optimize product development processes, reducing time to market and increasing innovation efficiency. 5. How Netflix used PDCA for ongoing success to fine-tune its recommendation algorithm and content delivery, ensuring continuous user satisfaction and engagement improvement. In Chapter 8, we can learn about expanding small-scale improvements across the organization. 1. How do we apply the PDCA cycle beyond individual teams to the entire organization? 2. Creating standardized procedures to ensure PDCA is consistently applied at scale. 3. Using digital tools and software to automate, track, and optimize PDCA activities. 4. Ensuring employees at all levels understand and can apply PDCA effectively. 5. How do we measure the impact of PDCA over time and adjust for sustained growth? Answer to 3 questions are Q1. How does the PDCA framework drive continuous business success? A. The PDCA framework, Plan Do Check Act, fosters continuous success by encouraging organizations to make small, incremental improvements that build. Businesses can consistently enhance efficiency and productivity by planning, implementing, evaluating, and adjusting processes, leading to long-term success. Q2. What are the key steps of PDCA, and why is each crucial for problem solving? The 4 key steps of PDCA are: plan, identify the problem and design a solution. This step is crucial for laying a solid foundation for improvements. Do, implement the solution on a small scale to test its effectiveness. Check, analyze the results to see if the solution works. Act, if successful, implement the solution thoroughly. If not, make adjustments and repeat the cycle. Q3. How can adopting PDCA improve daily operations and decision-making in modern businesses? Adopting PDCA improves daily operations by creating a structured, repeatable process for continuous improvement. It empowers teams to tackle problems systematically, test solutions, and make data-driven decisions, leading to more efficient processes and better outcomes. Summary of Chapter 1, Introduction. In this chapter, readers are introduced to the foundations of PDCA, including its history, principles, and core benefits. PDCA originated as a method to enhance quality and problem-solving in manufacturing, but it has since developed into a versatile framework for various industries and organizational functions. The cycle starts with the plan phase, where objectives are set, potential solutions are explored, and a roadmap for action is created. The do phase involves executing the plan and observing the results. In the check phase, data is analyzed to assess whether the objectives were met. In the act phase, adjustments are made to refine processes and prepare for the next cycle.